So that was a little close-up look at the box. You see Nigel Mansell here, a Lego figure of actual Nigel Mansell, and some information around him on the stand. We're going to build this tonight. Okay, so in the box, we've got new environmental friendly paper bags. So like 8 bags. Oh, alright. More. Yes, 8 bags in total. Look at it. All we've got some Ouija tires here, which is quite cool. We've got a nice booklet. Tell you obviously how to put together. Is there any information here around the legend yourself, Nigel? Yeah, we have got some information about the car. The Williams FW14B is actually a long time ago now, 1992. We've actually got quite a few pages around the legend as he is, Nigel Mansell. The legacy of Nigel Mansell. So it's got about 6 pages around Nigel Mansell, and then into the builds. We've actually got the first. This is actually awesome. The actual Lego figure of Nigel Mansell. So I'm going to go now into the video. I'm going to do a time lapse. Now